Yeah, how are you? Say something. Yeah, go.
Yo.
What's that? Sada. That's not good. We are in the public, you know. Say something. The good one, huh?
Oh, man, I don't know anything good one.
Inspired people.
Huh?
Say something. It will, inspire to the other people watching in our new video. Like that. So, here we go. One of my friends here in Saudi Arabia. Now, he like to speak in front of you. Say something.
Webcom.
Say something,
I
Baba.
am in very sleepy mood.
What's your name?
My name is Naveen.
Nabil.
I am in very sleepy mood.
Where you came from, Nabil?
Yes, from toilet.
No. We're serious, man. We are in public, man. Later on, people watching your video. So you have to say something good.
No,
Where you go?
I don't want to become popular.
Hey, come here. Come here. Look to the right. Can you feel that? Yeah, we're playing a lot tonight. Gotta put money. Cause we got money. We just wanna make the world. Come here. Oh my God. Yeah. The thing about. Yeah, bubbling. Forget about the price tag. Nabil, come here. Where are you? Just come here.
I didn't watch my
No, I know. It's just only this one is good one. I mean,
I didn't watch my play.
yeah, I know. We are not prepared.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, again. Say something, please. Encourage people. How's our company? Anything what you can say about?
Yeah. We are working for Casa Pasta.
Yes.
It's
How many years already?
It's only 5.5 months.
5.5 months.
Yeah.
So, being working in the Casa Pasta, any good experience or what? Oh, that's yeah.
Yeah, it's me, friend.
It's super to work in
Uh,
Casa Pasta.
okay.
It's one of the greatest pasta company in KSA.
Oh, you have to
Kingdom
be
of-
serious because maybe Mr. Ahmad wants to watch this one. Then
Yeah, it's one of the big company in KSA, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. I love to work in Casa Pasta. Okay, it's give a very good experience to my profile. Uh,
Really? Sure.
I'm just loving it.
Yeah, very good. It's nice to hear that. It's good to be honest, no, right? So, after 5 minutes, you're gonna watch your video. You want to watch right now? Come. Okay, bye. Thank you guys for wasting your time for us.
Stop recording and